What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex from MTV Alex, and today I'm gonna be doing something to my Lancer real quick. Let me go ahead and show you. But before we do that, please go ahead and click the description below if you want to support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and consider doing that. And please go ahead and share this video with somebody that you think is gonna need this information. Let's go ahead and let me go ahead and show you real quick. So this is what it's doing. I just put up the hitch. You can see that on the other video. I can leave a card over there in the top corner. But look right here, I had to put an extension because it's a 1 1/4, and the receiver that I have for my bike things is a 2-inch. And imagine having 4 bikes in here and this thing doing that. So the solution that I found, and it's just gonna be like a U-bolt to lock it up. So what this thing is gonna do is actually put pressure, and it'll prevent them from moving. Little by little on each side until it's tight. So that's it. I mean, I still have a little bit of play, but that's because the adapter itself, I don't know if I can do anything about that, but it's much better. The only drawback that I can see is that I'm gonna have to carry a 3/4 either wrench or ratchet in my car, which I already do. I have had a $5 ratchet set from Harbor Freight in it since I bought the car brand new, and that's something that I do to all my cars. I just keep like a $5. Those little ones, they're about this big. Here go in a case, so I usually keep that on the trunk, so it's always there, because if you want to take it out, it will come out with the whole adapter. Now if you want to put that same bike rack on my truck, then my truck is already a 2-inch, and since that, if you don't take the U-bolt out, it will come out with the adapter, and I don't need the adapter for the truck, so I can still use the U-bolt on the truck, but you have to be connected to the actual hitch on the truck. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys. I hope that you learned something today. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, share it with somebody who's having the same issue. If you've seen them on the road with the bikes moving, tumbling all over the place, share that with them. And that's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.